Hey guys, Sean Murphy here with Living on the South Shore of MA, and today I want to introduce you to my newest rental property here in Hingham.
14 Cherry Street. Let's go take a look. Now, as we come around to the side door here, you will notice this massive backyard. This is not only rare in Hingham in general, but especially for a rental property. It sits on 1.2 acres. Imagine the games you can play in this backyard. Now, as we come through the side door, we are welcomed right into this living room. Love the bay window. A lot of sunshine comes through, and that connects right into this very updated kitchen, gas range, granite countertops, another bay window there. Perfect spot for a kitchen table. And then this goes right into our one full bath for the entire home. Another view of the backyard. As we walk through the kitchen, this connects to the front of the house. This is the front door. A lot of people don't even use this front door, but this could be a dining room, another family room, another sitting room, whatever you want to make it. And then this connects right to the main bedroom to the home, first floor bedroom. Nice closet there. That's a pocket door that connects to that living room on the side of the home there. And then we'll go right around. Staircase takes us up to that second floor, which has two more bedrooms. You'll notice something. I want to point out these floors. These are original to the home when it was built in 1915. These wide wood plank floors are very rare nowadays, but in New England, you can find them in some of these older homes. Here's another view of the third bedroom, second bedroom upstairs. A lot of closet space in both bedrooms. A lot of sunshine. There are no lights on up in those bedrooms right now. And then we'll go back downstairs. We'll go around and show you this partially finished basement. Perfect spot for kids, perfect spot for a little man cave, whatever you end up needing space for. And then as we turn around, you'll notice here is the half bath. So you got one full bath on the main floor of the home and a half bath down here in the basement. And then there is a walk out to the backyard there and a ton of storage space in this part of the basement. We just came upstairs. I want to show you another view of this beautiful kitchen, ton of sunshine again. And we're going to come outside, give you another view of this property, because this is such a huge selling point, especially if you have a young family, pets, or just love to entertain. Now, we just reseeded this whole backyard, which is why it looks the way it is, but this will all grow in to be beautiful grass. You want to see this 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, renting out for $3,800 a month? Comment below, shoot me a text, and we'll get a showing set up for you. Thanks as always for watching.